will be here. So the only wood that you really have in this room is this casing and the doors. Okay? And so that's why I wanted to consider, I know I got your color selection on the wood paneling. Again, with the height of the ceiling and the tight corridors, I just wonder if that should be a lighter colored wood than so dark.
And we're going to show you both ways, and so that's why kind of we're exploring through 3D modeling a lighter color, soffit, and then with a darker color for an accent. And our thought was, originally it was, yeah, that maple / bamboo color, but because we don't use that wood anywhere else in the project after we looked at our selections, and there's mahogany on the doors, that's why we were kind of thinking, let's try the darker wood.
Unless you use it, if you did get the lighter paneling, if you did use it in another area, so it kind of ties it together.
There won't be any other area probably.
There's no other area.
So we need to pick the counter color for this counter.
Yes.
We need to pick the counter color for the conference room, which I'll show you when we get up there. And then we may need to decide what's going to be blue. Is it going to be this lid or is it going to be this lid?
I think this one is pretty light. That's dark. So
It is dark.
I wouldn't put blue over there. I would just keep it in this little triangular area.
Todd, what are we doing with these empty boxes? Are we demoing them?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Can you make a note here for the fronts are going to be the same as the top? Or are we just putting the top and picking a paint color?
Correct.
Okay.
The latter.
Okay.
Exactly.
And then a waterfall on this side or not of the countertop?
Is that side laminated? I think it is.
That's kind of,
All I have is this conceptual.
in the conceptual, it was waterfalling over the fronts.
Yeah, she's right. Because it's supposed to come down, I thought. What's your plan to terminate this in? Or is there no plan? You have this as open.
I don't know, I haven't seen Jeremy's drawing on that part, so I don't know what was discussed there.
Well, I think what we need to do is bring this down and close this up.
Okay.
Because it's going to look cheesy when you look back in here and see the corbels.
And this is not white, you're picking a color on it.
That is correct. Well, it's probably going to be a whitish color. Right, ladies?
Yes.
So it pops.
Yes. So instead of waterfalling the laminate on the front, you're saying it's just the top and then waterfall on the side.
See. Okay. Why don't we just start down at this end, ladies? The other thing is, they've already started painting designer gray on the second floor, so you'll be able to see what that color looks like. So, no, I don't think. Second floor. I don't think it has started lighting. So this room.
Yeah.
Yes.
I like the
And
space.
this is one of the
Like that
rooms
lobby
that I think we
space.
should
I like how it
consider
like recesses
some
right
kind
there.
of
Pretty cool. I put the dark in the small spot.
This is the techpreneurship suite. So this is again where possible future employers will come to meet with students, maybe in a group setting, and then they can break off into break-off rooms if they want to go one-on-one, okay? So this is one of the more public-facing rooms that we have, one of two, basically. Okay?
Did you have a wall in mind? Not for some kind of pop, but,
No?
okay, but just something.
No? Just
So
something
if
for
you want, if we as designers want to pull that, if it's feeling long and narrow and you want to pull kind of the room forward, then you're going to have to pop down there. You kind of want to emphasize the focal point of a long wall or the probably.
So this is going to be all open.
Just like it is,
Okay,
correct.
okay.
All open.
Okay.
Okay?
These the colors of the doors?
This is one of the lecture classrooms.
Ooh, I love these stairs.
Yeah, they do let a lot of light in.
What room is this, the number? I need to bring my floor plan.
I don't know if I brought.
Want me to go look?
Yeah, yeah.
What are all these palm trees around here?
Is it 101?
No, not anymore. I don't think it is.
So I just want you to know kind of the drop ceiling, and then you're having samples of what the tile that is going to look like, right? Is that?
That is the tile, that's the finished product.
That is the finished product,
Yes.
yep. So you have some.
So all this that you see is